Three lessons: never stop learning, keep on practicing, no work is small, everyone starts from zero or scratch to reach at the peak.
Hi everyone, I Anupam Mishra welcome you all at our podcast series Comspire, Communicate to Inspire. Let's begin our series with new hopes to inspire each other by sharing our experiences and lessons of life. In our first episode, we have Mr. Manoj as our chief guest, who is the founder of IT Solutions and Services. He's a kind of great personality and an awesome trainer in the field of digital marketing. Asking about any problem related to technology, and he has got the answer. Hi Manoj, we are delighted to have you here to share your success journey with all of us. At present, we can see you as a successful digital marketer and a trainer who has trained numerous people to handle technology. We would like to know what brought you into digital marketing.
Hi everyone, this is Manoj Joshi, and thanks Anupam for inviting me here. Regarding digital marketing, that's always been my passion, and I also crave to learn new things. I got my first job just after my diploma in 2011, just because of internet. After that, I started to explore more technology and use it to create opportunities for myself and the people connected to me.
Oh, that's great. So we have here our first tip to be a passionate learner. What do you consider as your biggest strength and weaknesses in this journey? And how did you utilize your strength coping up with your weaknesses?
I will first talk about my weaknesses. I'm a sort of multitasker and want to do so many things at a time. This is also because I want to utilize each and every moment of my life. Though it sounds good, it's not actually suggested for the desired production. We need to finish one task at a time and then move to the other. I am trying to improvise myself in this regard, and my strength, that's my 100% zeal and enthusiasm that I put in any of my work that I committed to do.
Interesting. You're so honest in talking about your innate behavior. Okay, please tell us who is the closest companion of yours? Anyone, person whom you like to give the credit of all your achievements?
My parents, they didn't force me to choose any particular profession. They let me decide what I wanted to do in my life. As parent, they wanted me to see a successful person, but not in any specific field. I had taken so many risks in my life, and I could perform well in each of them just because of their support and blessings. They have been a source of inspiration for me, and I can give all the credits of my achievements to my parents.
Wow, our regards for your parents who really filled you with so much of love and gratitude. There might be many others in your field. What makes you feel that you're different from all the others out there?
I serve people from the core of my heart and always try to give them the best service. I have made a great team with same motive. This is the basic nature of any company, and that's give the worthy services through which we can reach and help more people.
Completely agree with you, as I have myself taken a training from you and witnessed your patience level with which you deal with each of your trainees. Moreover, you gave an appropriate feedback to each and every trainee of yours. What helped you to get so patient in dealing with various sort of people?
Thank you so much, Anupam. That's my mom. She is the one who inspired me to be as patient as her. She has seen a lots of ups and downs in her life, but remained calm, irrespective to the situation. To handle people, you need to be patient if you want to make a positive bonding with them. For example, if you have to join the sticks together, you need to stabilize them first, or they will scatter here and there. Everyone want to be listened, and I'm a good listener.
That's commendable. I cannot agree with you anymore. Your knowledge in the field of digital marketing is exceptional and noteworthy. Is it just your passion that helped you to acquire so much of knowledge in technology, or there is much more to this?
See, I feel like the more you practice and implement, the more you master in the skills. So, apart from my passion, you need to be perseverant or practice regularly if you want to be an expert in any field. The Mool mantra is just practice, practice, and practice. For me, I never stop until I get the desired result. Even if I am tired or loaded with lot of work, I take out of some time to practice.
Wow, that's amazing. Can you please share any of your hard time or struggling phase in your career?
Every day is a struggle, as per my belief. If you consider so, for many, even waking up at early hours is struggle, isn't it? But for a few others, even climbing the Everest becomes a joke. I have read the story of Tenzing, who, along the Hillary, conquered the Mount Everest before any other non-human after his 6 unsuccessful attempts, and then later on Anurama Sinha, who climbed the Everest even after she lost her legs in an accident. So it's our perception, how we are considering our struggles. That is what has gifted me what I am today. Now only but everyone related to me see me as their inspiration and support.
Incredible. A great point you have highlighted here. You are true that struggle is everywhere. We just have to look it with our own eyes and act accordingly. Would like to listen the most memorable incident from your life as well.
It's the memory of my childhood. I was 8 years old then. I was, as you asked, the most memorable incident. It just flashed in my mind. I had to leave my place of my heart and soul, Uttarakhand, along with my family because of some reason. I'm still very close to it as it has many fascinating memories of my childhood days.
Interesting. We do have fond memories of our childhood and get connected with it forever. What will be the 3 lessons of your life that you can share with the people listening to us now?
3 lessons: never stop learning, keep on practicing. No work is small. Everyone starts from zero or scratch to reach at the peak.
I hope the people listening to us will definitely jot down these points. So, you have given the whole life whole lesson in just 3 points. And this is really the successful Mool mantra that you have shared with us. At the end, Manoj, can you please give a hint of your future projects? We would like to know about your vision.
Sure. I wish to connect with more and more people and share my learning with them, learning something from them as well in the process. We all know something or the other. We just need to share it, then it's broadened. My life's motive is to help as many people as I can, teach them whatever I can, and importantly, I wish to help the entrepreneur to bring their business online with the help of choosing right technology, so that they can grow globally. As a result, it will be strengthen the economy of our nation as well.
That's great. So, we would really wish you all the best for your achievement further on in your future perspectives. And thank you so much, Manoj, for being the first member of the Conspire team to inspire each other through communication. Thanks you once again.
Uh, Thank you, Anupam, for having me here.